President Murmu has said this needs a reform specifically when it comes to society's attitudes toward women and to ensure safety and dignity in all spheres of life. So this is what the President, Draupadi Murmu, has said right now. And in one of the first big comments that have come in, referring to enough is enough, and that her support for the ongoing protests and called for swift justice stands. So while there have been many protests that have been organized in and around Kolkata, but the Nabana protest specifically, which was the student groups led protest, though backed by other political parties as well, there was one visual that went viral. Look, it's on your screen, and that was about this man who holds a tiranga in his hand. And despite the strong gush of water cannon sprayed at him, he does not move. It went viral. Many were talking about it. He received criticism as well that you're not a student. You definitely don't look like one. What are you doing at a student-led protest? His name is Balaram Bose, elderly man braving water cannons, demanding justice for one and all in the RG Kaur case specifically, but women in general. And he says, because I have women family members too. India Today decided to speak to him. Here's why this man said that he continued to stand despite the water cannon sprayed at him. He said he will not budge.
ये आंदोलन का करने का टाइम में मेरा ये था, क्या हमको ये बात पहुंचाना है और नबना तक हम लोगों का बात पहुंचाना है. मेरा मंत्र है उस तरफ बात पहुंचाना. अगर ना पहुंचा पाया तो मर जाते. इधर जो प्रशासन चल रहा है, इनको देखना चाहिए. ये पश्चिम बंगाल का आधा नाड़ी है. इन लोगों का सुरक्षा भी प्रशासन को देना है. अगर प्रशासन इधर फेल कर रहा है, उन लोगों को जस्टिस नहीं दे पा रहा है, तो ये प्रशासन को अपने आप को ठीक करना है.
So this man had been in the center of controversy right now, and I want to go across to Ritik on that. Ritik, what is the reason that you think now the protests that are escalating, different age groups, more and more people are coming in? Because at this point, this I think was a very interesting case. And as a journalist, I can tell you that because we have reported on such protests, the water cannons push and flow, the gush is very strong. It's not easy to stand at all. There's a reason the water cannons are used. And for this elderly man to continue to stand doesn't look easy at all, and yet he did. So therefore, he's become this can we say, a sort of in the center of both what the TMC is saying about him or the BJP is saying about him right now. Go ahead, Ritik. What do you say about this viral image?
Definitely, let me tell you that it only shows the heat is mounting across the state. And at the day when this protest march was organized, I was in Howrah Satragachi. Let me tell your viewers to give a pulse that yes, this was the point where many people, and I spoke to them, I met them, I saw what exactly the momentum was. There was elderly people, there was women, there were students, there were farmers coming from places like Bakura, East Midnapur. And let me tell our viewers that who understands Kolkata, they know that where is Kolkata and how far it is. That's Bakura or East Midnapur is. They boarded train, they came to Kolkata to protest, to raise their voice. Now, what it only shows is not limited, inside the periphery of where the junior doctors are protesting, or be it the civil society or the educated middle class are taking it to the streets. It is spreading across in all places in Kolkata and Bengal. Perhaps this is the only reason. Now we can see elderly people, they are coming and raising their voice. So they are, yes, that's the narrative. That's enough is enough. We are fed up with kind of the kind of governance they get from this ruling dispensation. And
interesting
now
to say the least. He may not be
momentum.
a student, but he says that I wanted to be a part of that and decides to stay strong. Is there a larger sentiment that the government of Bengal will have to understand, and a woman chief minister who's been on the ground, that there is this anger that's brewing, and this is specifically for Bengal and of course been around the country, to take cognizance of and not just dismiss it as some other party backed propaganda? Appreciate you joining us.